Good morning, dear kids. Welcome back to our computer class. In computer, today we'll start new chapter, chapter number 5. The name of the chapter is The Keyboard. We have already done the parts of computer. In that we have read about the parts of computer. So keyboard is a part of computer. So today we'll do the reading of the chapter number 5 from your computer book. And you know that your computer book is this, icon 7. Okay. So page number 30 from your book. We'll start reading of the keyboard that we have done in chapter 4 about the parts of computer. So this is, keyboard is also a part of computer. And what we find on the keyboard? We find numbers on keyboard, alphabets on keyboard, some special keys on keyboards. So today we are going to learn about keyboard. So then we know everything about the keyboard. Okay. So let's start reading of the chapter 5. So take out your notebook and read with me. Okay. Bye. So this is keyboard. This is keyboard. Why we use keyboard? While we wanna writing on computer, we wanna do any work on computer, that time we use this keyboard. See, the alphabets are written on keyboard: A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, P, O, I, O, Y, T, R, E, W, Q. These all are alphabets, and numbers are also written on keyboard: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. That means 1, 0, 10. So in this way we can write any word, any sentence, any number on computer. And these are some special keys also. It's a arrow key, downward, upward, left and right arrow keys. Some special keys are there. This is the longest key. See, this is the longest key, and we said space bar to it, longest key. And this is enter key, backspace. Some functional key also are there. Shift is there, control is there, window is there, caps lock. Why caps lock? Where we use caps lock? Whenever you want to write a capital letter, that time we use caps lock. Okay. And tab is for the long distance. And while we write a one word, and after that we want to give little space on that, so we use this space bar. So after writing one word we give space bar. So space bar is the longest key on the keyboard. Okay. Now we are going to start reading of the chapter. Okay. So this is the chapter, The Keyboard. We use a pencil or a pen to write in our notebook. What we use? We use pencil and pen for writing on our notebook. Na? Can we write without pen and pencil on the notebook? No. So we use a pencil or a pen to write in our notebook. Similarly, we need a keyboard to type anything on a computer. We can't use our pencil and pen on computer, so we need to write something on computer. We need something. So there are types of keys on a keyboard. So what we need to writing on computer? We need writing on computer. No need to write. Whenever we are writing on computer, we don't need any pencil or notebook. We need keyboard. Okay. What we need? We need keyboard. So there are 3 types of keys on a keyboard that I'll show you. Right now I have just shown you the keyboard. So what is written on the keyboard? Alphabets. That is your A, B, C, D, E, F up to Z. There is written alphabets on keyboards. And number keys are there. and special keys are also there, and I'll show you that. Once again, this is a picture of a keyboard. See, this is a picture of keyboard and you have book with you. So do one thing, color the keys as given below. Alphabet keys, orange color. Wherever you find the alphabet keys on your book, this keyboard, so you just color alphabets with orange color and number with green. So I have just done little bit, so you have to do whole. Okay, so these are the alphabet keys, number keys, and space bar is there. Some special keys are both side. Okay, now next, observation. How many alphabet keys are there on a keyboard? This is your keyboard. You just count how many alphabet keys are there. First you color the orange, then you know that how many alphabet keys are there on a keyboard. Total there are 26 alphabet keys. And how many numbers keys are there on a keyboard? How many number keys are there on a keyboard? So just look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 number keys are there. So you just write down 10 number keys. Okay. Now next is, now come to next page, page number 31, alphabet keys. Okay. So alphabet means the letter that we have learned in the LKG class, that letters A, B, C, D, all that. So just we know about the alphabet keys. The alphabet keys are used to type words and sentences. Where we use alphabets? We have used alphabets to write down words and sentences also. If we don't have alphabets, we can't write anything. Okay, we have used these alphabets to complete our word and complete our sentences. Okay, so next, number keys. The number keys are used to type numbers. They are marked with 0 to 9. Number keys marked with 0 to 9. See, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 10 number keys are there. Okay. So why we need numbers? Whenever we want to write any number on the computer, that time we need these numbers. Okay. Now special keys. Let us learn about some special keys which are commonly used. Special keys. This is the longest key of the keyboard, and longest key is we call this key spatial key. Okay, so spatial key, this is a space bar key. What we call the longest key on the keyboard? Space bar key. It is used to add blank space between words, letters, or numbers. Whenever we are writing any word, we need some space between. So what we use for giving space on computer, we are using space bar key for giving the space between the words. Okay, now Rai Bhatia. Type the name given on the left. See how it looks without a space. अगर हम इसमें स्पेस नहीं दे रहे हैं, देखो राय भाटिया नाम है. See, Rai Bhatia, and we are not giving any space between that. But we need to give space between first name and the last name. While like ma'am is writing Manisha Katal, ma'am is not writing together. Ma'am first write the name Manisha, then give space, then writing Katal. So we need space between the word. So see, here we have given space between this Rai Bhatia. So now press space bar after Rai and see the result. When we have written Rai, then we give space, then write Bhatia. So it look nice now. This is, and we know, we find out easily, this is the first name and this is the last name. Okay, now next is enter key. The enter key comes in different shapes. It is used to move the cursor to the, it is used to add blank space between words, letter or numbers. So we knew that now, that Rai Bhatia, then we know the first letter, first word and the first name and the last name also. So after every word we have to give space, and what we use to giving space, we use space bar for that. Okay, so next is enter key. So now we learn what is enter key. Enter key comes in different shapes. It is used to move the cursor. It is used to move the cursor to the next. Then move to cursor to the next line. Suppose on computer while we are writing and we have finished one line, then how go to the second line? What we use? We use enter key. We just press the enter key, then we go to the next line. Okay, a keyboard has two enter keys. Okay, that I'll show you the keyboard already. So there is a two enter key. One is this kind and one is this. Okay, so these are the enter keys which is on the keyboard. Okay, so two enter keys are on the keyboard. How many enter keys are on the keyboard? Two enter keys. And next is your backspace key. Backspace means whenever we want to go back, so that time we use this key, backspace key. The backspace key words like an erase. Suppose sometime whatever we are writing and something is wrong we have written, so we use backspace for that, so it's erase easily. Okay, by pressing this key you can erase the letters one by one left of the cursor, from left of the cursor, and letter will, it's not erase all together, it's erase one by one letter. Okay, and next is caps lock key. The caps lock key is used to type capital letters. Press the caps lock key once. This will turn on the light of the caps locks. Type the text, it will appears in capital letter. If you want to write everything on capital letter, that time we use caps lock. Once we enter the when we just press the caps lock, then if we would like to start writing, so all the letters comes in capital letter only. Okay, it will appears in capital letters. For example, my name is Rai Bhatia. It is all written in capital letter. Okay, so now this is end of the chapter. What we have learned in this chapter, we learn about keyboards, and what we learn about keyboard, we have find that on a keyboard alphabets are written and numbers are written on that. How many types of keys on the keyboard? Three types of keys are there: alphabets key, number keys and special keys are there. And we know that the how many alphabet keys are on the keyboard? 26 alphabet keys and 10 number keys on the keyboard. And then space bar. Why we using space bar key? Space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard, and whenever we are writing anything and if we want to give space between the word, that time we use space bar. And enter, why we use enter key? Enter key is used to, if we want to go to the next line, that time we need enter key. and space bar key we use for erasing the word. It's not erase all together, it's erase one by one. And next is the caps lock key, and we use caps lock key for writing all the sentences in a capital letter. Okay, so this is end of the chapter, and this is your homework, my activity. You have to find out these letters, okay, these words and circle it. Okay, circle it. These are the grids, so you have to find out where is the actual one. Okay, so this is your homework. You have to do this is at home. Enter, alphabet, number, spatial, caps lock and space bar. So this is the end of the chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day. In our next video we'll do exercise. Bye bye. See you.